Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have an update today, August 12th, for Google Chrome, the update for security. So if you go into the upper right corner, three vertical dots, go down to Help and About Google Chrome, you will be pushed to version 151.0.7922.138, and this contains 5 security fixes. They're all high severity, so they are important to fix, but there's not too many of them. This is also something that I've noticed that the numbers of flaws seem to go down now with Chrome, and this is what is expected of AI detection of security flaws. There was going to be a peak, a plateau, and then there would be probably a drop in the number of security flaws discovered. So this is, of course, important to update. This is the number one way to stay safe, to update all the software so that you have all the security flaws fixed. And of course, that will be going to Chromium browsers, Brave, Opera, Vivaldi, and so on eventually. So we'll be looking at it. I'll be making one when Edge gets actually its own updates for security here. And remind everybody that if you have a Chromium-based browser, to make sure you're at the latest version to stay safe. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.